So for today, we're going to be tackling about the importance of insurance sa buhay ng isang tao. So bakit ba natin siya kailangan? Yan yung pinaka tanong talaga eh. So ano ba yung insurance sa buhay ng isang tao? So most of the people na I talk to already, at first, ang sabi nila sa akin, insurance is an expenses. That's the first thing that I heard dun sa mga nakausap ko. Some say they inform me na it's an investment daw or savings. Yan yung mga pangunawa nila. So if you're going to be asking my opinion about it, tama naman lahat yon. It's a combination of all of those things. Yan yung insurance para sa akin. Okay, so bakit ba natin siya kailangan? Ang insurance kasi, meron siyang dalawang klaseng benefit. So by the time